Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing at your places. Dear student, we are doing Unit 3, Section A, and we have read a very interesting story, The Rich Lady and the Artist. And in previous video, I have explained exercise A2 and hard word of this lesson. Now today, I will explain to you exercise 3 question answer of this lesson, which I am going to explain you here. Section A3, answer the following question. Question number 1. Why did the artist laugh after the lady had left the studio? Why did the artist laugh after the lady had left the studio? The answer is the artist laughed on his cleverness after the lady had left the studio. The artist laughed on his cleverness after the lady had left the studio. Hope you have done the question A. Now I will explain you next question. Question number 2. The lady admires her dog for its cleverness. Do you think the dog was really clever? The lady admires her dog for its cleverness. Do you think the dog was really clever? The answer is no. I don't think that the dog was really clever because he was just like other animals. No, I don't think that the dog was really clever because he was just like other animals. Question number 3. The lady was foolish. Justify the statement with evidence from the story. The lady was foolish. Justify the statement with evidence from the story. The answer is the lady was foolish because she could could not understand the artist's trick and paid him a big price for the portrait. The lady was foolish because she could not understand the artist's trick and paid him a big price for the portrait. And the next question is, how was the artist rewarded for his cleverness? How was the artist rewarded for his cleverness? The answer is, he was rewarded for his cleverness. Cut the A. cleverness. Cleverness with a big price for the portrait he had made. He was rewarded for the cleverness with a big prize for the portrait he had made. So dear student, here we have done the exercise A3 question answer of this lesson, and you will write all this question answer on page number 45. Now I will explain you the next exercise on book A4. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. The old lady was very fond of her dog because she thought. Option A, it was very good looking. Option B, it was a good companion. Number C, it was the cleverest animal in the world. The right answer is C. It was the cleverest animal in the world. Next is number 2. The lady refused to take the portrait the first time because, first option, she looked ugly in it. Next, her dog shows no interest in it. And the last one is, the artist was rude to her. The right answer is, her dog shows no interest in it. The next one is, the artist did not argue with the lady because, option 1, he did not know how to talk. Next is, he was scared of the lady. And the last option is, he was a worldly wise man. And the right answer is He was a worldly wise man. So dear student, here we have done exercise A4. Now that's all for the day. You will do all this exercise on your page 45. Thank you and have a nice day.